Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this little mermaid sitting on a rock. So to do that, I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to change her hair, if I can just find it. I want to use this one. Sorry, it took so long. And we're going to do the animated front wind part. Then for the fit, we'll be using the mermaid's tail, of course. And then I'm just going to color that green. Maybe I like this one a little bit better. For the top, you can pretty much use anything that you'd like to, but I'm using the VIP top, this one, because it looks the most similar to hers. No pearls. And then just going to color it the same color for the rest. I mean, maybe you can add pearls here just so that it's not super plain. Well, you can obviously layer if you'd like to. Maybe not. Alright, once you're done, you will need to go to the dressing rooms. Actually, let me just get where's the pumpkin? The pumpkin first here. Then we're going to color it brown for both and then select the foil texture on that one. And then we will also need stuff from the dressing rooms. So we will need the feather boa. Select low and select blue for like the ocean. And then you're going to need this bag here. This one. And then we're going to color it brown and put all the materials at foil. Then we will need the teddy bear too. And then toggle it to the third one. And then again, brown with the metallic, the foil texture. And then we will need the flower bouquet. This one. Color the first one brown. And the rest blue to match the like ocean color, I guess. Okay, then once you're done with that, I think I'm just going to go to the area out here, like here, and then we're going to use the ice skating post pack. And then do the tense post back here. As you can see, it looks like she's like on a rock, I guess. Sorry. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.